Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to talk about how to do indexing and what all the indexing we have and the slicing operations in the Python. So basically when we generally use to create an index list in the Python, the indexing start from 0. Okay, it's not start from 1, generally start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it generally start from 0. Okay, so in the yesterday video we have talked about how to create list and how to append in that particular list. So today we are going to see about how to take the particular value from the indexing and how to use the slicing in at that particular list. So let's begin this video with quick practical demo. Okay, so now I am quickly going to open my EC2 instance, launch my EC2 instance. So let me quickly get connect and let's my EC2 instance Linux machine is already working. So let's me quickly get connect with it. Okay, so it's getting opening. Let's wait for just few seconds. Okay, so we are connected with our Linux machine. So let me quickly go to the sudo login, sudo su hyphen, and let's do quickly ls. And now we are going to see our Python version, which Python version we are using. So there is a command python 3 hyphen hyphen version. So when you click, we get to know we are using Python 3.9.16 version. Okay, now we want a Python interpreter. Same Python 3, we get the Python interpreter. In the lastly, we have created one. Uh, we in the lastly we have created one list. Okay, so to create a list, let's quickly let me quickly create a db is equals to, we are creating a list as Arun. Okay, let's, you can just give any name. I'm just quickly creating one list as Harsh. Okay, then Rahul, then Viru. Okay, this is the list which we have created. If you want to retrieve the list, same by using the db, we have this all the things into our list and what is the type of db. So if you want to type the db, you can check it is it will show you list same as it is. If you want to retrieve now the index of the, like it's indexing like 0 1 2 3, the index is like here. How it works, let me quickly show you. Okay, so here what generally happening here, here the indexing this Varun indexes as 1. Okay, let me quickly change the, yeah, here Varun stands with 0, Harsh stands with 1, Rahul stands with 2, and Varun Viru stands for 3. So from here in Python, the indexing starts from 0 and it's go to the end. And if you want to retrieve the value of Arun, so you have to give the indexing as a, I want to retrieve the value of Arun on the zeros index. So it's comes as a Arun. Suppose I want to retrieve the value on the index which is on the index 2. On the index 2, whatever is there, I want to call that particular value. So same as it is, there is a Rahul. Okay, like this you can retrieve the any value you want to retrieve in this function. Okay, now second things that comes here is like, suppose I want to retrieve the value of Viru. Okay, so db third index, it will show you the Viru. On the 0 index we have Varun, on the 1 we have Harsh, on the 2 we have Rahul, on the 3 we have Viru. Like this we have different like variables and the stores on the different particular index over here. Okay, so now coming moving forward, we have this particular variables and we can retrieve the value like this, and it's generally known as indexing. Okay, if you want to suppose you have a list of very big number. Okay, let's append one more data into this. Let's append, uh, let's quickly add uh, joy. Okay, we are appending as a joy, and if you quickly check what it will append, it's always append into the last. Okay, whatever you want to append the data, it will always add your data into the last only. Okay, now we have a 5 data, and suppose we have a list of 100 of index number, but if you want to retrieve from backside, so same as it is db hyphen -1. So as you give, it will give you the value as a joy, same as it is if you give the db as 4. Okay, so it will give the value as a joy, same as it is. You can start from -1, -2. On the -2 it will give you Viru, -3 it will give you Rahul, -4 Harsh, -5 as a Varun, but from the starting it gives as a 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this it generally comes. So here Arun has an index value of 0, Harsh has an index value of 1, Rahul has an index value of 2, Viru has an index value of 3, and Joy has an index value as 4, but from the starting. Okay, so index value of the for the data sorted is in the list always start with 0. So as I have shown you about the append function, so db in the list and the append is the one function of the function in the list, like where you can add the element to the list. Anything inside the append will be added to the db variables. Okay, and if you want to quickly check the length, what is the length of the db, same as it is length function as I showed you yesterday. We have a 5 of length. The function, the length function is used for counting the length of variable, what all those we have. Suppose if you want to check if a joy name is there in the db, so you have to just give joy and joy in db, so it will show you true. Okay, why true? Because it the joy variable is present into this db list. Okay, if you check with uh, yo yacht. Okay, anything else you can just give. Let me quickly check Linux. Okay, Linux in db. Okay, so we get that false. The Linux is not present into this particular list. So here in is a keyword as a above hash value, like we have a joy value been searched into the db variables. In generally helps in searching the rel. So as in db there are 5 elements are stored, and we can like search from it, but if we right now we have only 5. Suppose we have thousands of data into a thousands of variables in a list, and if you want to search, so you can use the in keyword. Okay, so the purpose of this keyword is to search and compare the element. If it found, it will return true or false. So now coming towards next, we are I'm showing you about the slicing operator. Slicing operator generally starts and okay, slicing operator. Slicing operators is like this. Let me quickly change the font color. Yeah, it generally starts with like this. This means starting point you want from which point, and this start from which to which last. Like this is start. Okay, this is start, this is end, and this is what type of gap you want. So I'm just showing with a quick basics one. So suppose I want to retrieve all of the list, okay, from here to here. Okay, so db database, we have database, and I want from last to front all the variables. So it have given you the list from the last to first, like we have joy in the last, then Viru, it has printed from last value. Okay, suppose if you want to be printed from the first, you can give like I want 0. Suppose let's skip Varun, and I want first to end. So it have skipped, and it have Arun, Rahul, Viru, Joy. This is the main list we have. So okay, so db is reversed using the above slicing operator. From this it is been reversed. So here -1 reverse refers as the last element of the list. So okay, and if you want to know about the more slicing operators provided by this, so you can use directory as a db, and we have got like we have class, we have init subclass, we have append. You can do append, okay, because db is our list. You can append, you can copy, you can clear, we can insert, we can pop means generally to remove any element. Okay, remove, okay, reverse, and short, you can short also. Like this, all those function with db we can add, and we can do further things we are going to see into the upcoming videos. Okay, suppose if you want or here dir direct, it means dir function. This will give us all the function what can be applied over a variable. If we have created certain variables, suppose x is equals to 10. Okay, and if you want to check the dir what all the function it suppose, you can check with the dir. Okay, this all the functions it supports to these functions are different for this particular variable, and these functions are different for this variable. So it shows what all the functions can be supported by that particular over the variables part. And if you want to know the how to append, so you can check like suppose help, I want how I can append into a list. So help db dot append. So I yeah, so it shows us like append and object slash method of the built-in list instance append. So help just give the uses of the function, how function can be used. Okay, how function can be used, and then I think let me quickly go out. Okay, so here help this generally gives the uses of the function, how function can be used. So as you have seen into the above case, we see db dot append function and usage by known by the using the help function. Okay, so this was the thing about it, how you can use slicing operator. You can create multiple slicing operators and you can use according to it. I've just shown you about the little use case, but from your side for the practical purpose you can use and create multiples and you can try from your side. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much for watching this video.